Let me get you to raise your right hand so I can swear you at the court. Swear upon a testimony given in this court that Stephen will be the truth and nothing but the truth. Let y'all have a seat. Before we get started, make sure your cell phone will vibrate. I wanted to stop. You don't mind if you don't vibrate, stop, and let it go. Ladies and gentlemen, whatever you got on your head, please remove it. Currently, Mark's gonna call the county in just a second. What that means is he's gonna call up a name of people who should be in court. You see. So when you give your name, please answer loud enough so you know that you so that have a okay.
Demetrius Bell. Demetrius Bell. You're gonna remove for a bench warrant. Run it. Christopher Blocker. Curtis Clay. Crystal Cromwell Gibbs. Crystal Cromwell Gibbs. You're gonna remove for a bench warrant and bond forfeiture. Can we review since after reviewing the notes? Yeah, that's what I'm doing here in the note. It's been quite a look for decision. All right. All right, reschedule it for arraignment. Rodgeriana Davis. Rodgeriana Davis. You're gonna remove for FTL letter. Right. Yeah, Kia Davis. Yeah, Sheikah Ford. Yeah, Sheikah Ford. Can we recall? How old is this? What is the original court date? The note talks about a rescheduled notice of return not deliverable. So it's here in the appear on the 8th or the 18th. Or today, that's but 11, 13. You received a rescheduled notice for the day, but you didn't get to it. So what happened on the 8th? Please. On the 8th, that was on the ticket. All right, Mr. Lamar, your last day of service. You can quite make a note that for us to determine whether or not that should be an attempt to personally serve this market. Okay. Maisha George. Maisha George. You know that's where FTL letter. Right. Christopher Gibson. Jalen Harden. Jalen Harden. That's where FTA notice. Right. The Semiquil Harvey. The Semiquil Harvey. You're gonna be asked for a bench warrant. We do FTA letter. You have a better license once in place.
Chandriana Hawkins. Thank you. Chatonia Hayslip. Chatonia Hayslip.
One.
Sarah Howard. Sarah Howard.
Four.
Dow Jackson. Preston Jackson. Eric Jefferson. Marvin Jenkins. Marvin Jenkins. And the rest for the FTA notice. Jonathan Jones. Nika Martin. And the rest for FTA notice.
Right.
Andrew Architect was no question.
This line already?
Yes, Your Honor. Jaquan Reyes. Jonathan Reynolds. That's what 30-day letter.
Right.
Jada Tunstall. Iona Turner. Iona Turner. That's for FTA notice.
Right.
Cameron Walker. Cameron Walker. You know, that's for bench warrant.
Right.
Keyshawn Walker. Just Samuel Ward. Melinda Wilden. Kanisha Williams. Martravius Williams. Octavius Woodall. And Reagan Young. And the first matter is City of Albany versus Daryl Jackson and TG 24979. Mr. Jackson is charged with speeding going 64 into 35. Please no contest to 55 into 35.
Mr. Jackson, you're 62 and you have 13 and a half years of education. Yeah. Where do you work? United Distributor. Put your microphone up. Where do you work? United Distributors. You understand you can be sentenced up to 12 months in jail and $1,000 fine on the charge? Yes, sir. Are you mentally disabled or under the influence of alcohol, drugs in that case? No, sir. You have a right to a trial, presumption of innocence, right to confront and entertain witnesses, and the right to remain silent and not incriminate yourself. You understand your right? Yes, sir. Where were you going 29 miles over speed limit?
Okay, I was driving 40 on speed odometer. When he pulled me over, I told him I was doing 40. He said that I was doing 60, 64. And I just didn't say anything else and just left it at that.
Here's the citation thing. Mr. Lamar, with the expectation for him to pay an additional time with this?
That's in the court.
Mr. Jackson, you can have a trial if you want to dispute whether or not you were going 29 over the speed limit. If I accept the offer that is being given on your behalf, then the fine will be increased by $200. That's the $200 the state will charge you for going more than 20 miles over the speed limit. And I will reduce the fee so it won't impact your insurance or your life. How do you want to handle it?
We just go ahead and just deal with it as it is. I, you know, I explained to him and said it might have been the speed odometer, but I know I was doing the speed because I was pretty much on the one at 5 o'clock in the morning driving.
I would accept the no contest plea stating 49 and 35. The fine is $412.27. When can you pay that, sir?
Pay it today.
At some point, you'll be able to pay that online. We don't take payments over the pay.
Okay.
You can come to the courthouse tomorrow and pay it, or you can pay it online once it gets in the system and reducing the fee.
Yes, sir.
What do you want to see?
By Travius Williams. Williams approaching charging fire tag and keeping 24,981. He pleads guilty.
Mr. Williams, you're 31.
Yes.
How much formal education do you have?
4.
You went to the 4th grade?
Sir.
You went to the 4th grade?
Yes.
You don't have a high school diploma?
Yes.
What's the highest grade you completed?
12.
You completed 12 years of formal education, okay?
Yeah.
You have any college?
No.
Where do you work?
Tyson.
Why are you gonna type it?
5 years.
You understand you can be sentenced up to 12 months in jail and $1,000 fine?
Yeah.
Are you mentally disabled or under the influence of alcohol, drugs, and medication?
No.
The right to the trial, for example, the innocent, the right to confront and the right to remain silent and not discriminate. So, you understand those? You understand the rights?
Yes.
Mr. Williams, you still have the, 2006 Mercury Mariner?
Yeah.
Is the tag still expired?
Yeah.
Why haven't you gotten that taken care of?
All the schools on ticket.
How many schools on ticket you have?
About 4 on. $80 piece.
How you plan to take care of them?
Mm,
Did you request a hearing on them?
no.
You know, to check and see if this expired tag has anything to do with rent fee.
Sure.
What day you rent? How much is the payment down? What's the amount of? If anything additional you have to pay, once it goes into suspension, just pay the fee. There's not a, the registration, hold on. I wanna, when can you come over with the $150, sir?
The weekend that week.
And based upon the guilty plea to expired tax, court finds him $205.10. He be placed on probation for 12 months. He's ordered to clear his registration hold and red fees violation within 45 days. Once he clear that, pay the fine and take it in earlier than 12 months.
Please, court, may I sound to
Yes, sir, go ahead.
Kenesha Williams? He'll be out there in the hall, please, ma'am, and Christopher Block.
Eric Jefferson. Mr. Jefferson started.
Jefferson, you are 40 years of age and you completed high school.
Yes, sir.
Where do you work, sir?
Nowhere at the time, unemployed.
When's the last time you worked somewhere?
Been a while. I used to do and stuff like that.
Wow, man. 2 years, 5 years, 10 years?
Y'all left 12 months, maybe a year, maybe.
You understand this to be sentenced up to 12 months in jail and $1,000 fine?
Yes, sir.
Are you mentally disabled or under influence of alcohol, drugs, and medication?
No.
You have a right to a trial, to be innocent, the right to confront witnesses, and the right to remain silent and incriminating. And those rights.
Yes, sir.
Jefferson, why did you run from police?
Uh,
It appears you had no reason to, so I don't know. Why did you?
I don't know.
You didn't have any warrants, your license was good. You got spooked or something?
Yeah, I had a death in the family that day, and I didn't know what was gonna go on, and I just went myself that day, I guess.
You left the car?
Nah, I parked it at the house.
Walked at the house, that was your girlfriend's car?
Yeah,
So the police were behind you when you pulled in the yard?
he said he was.
You didn't see him?
I didn't.
You jumped out of the car and took off and didn't know the police were behind you.
Yeah, so
You ever had any job training?
no,
Are you interested in it?
not at the moment.
What you plan to do with the rest of your life? You're a young 40 right now.
I'll get it together. I'm trying to leave Albany.
You got how many children?
3.
Everybody the same lady?
I got a 17-year old, a 10, and a 6-year-old.
Okay. I asked you that because one of the reasons she said you had the car is because she was going to get a kid something to eat.
Yeah, yeah.
But all the kids are not in that house.
Nah, not at that house.
Are you required to pay child support?
Nah, not on that one. On my oldest, the 17-year-old.
How you doing with that?
Doing all right.
And
Yeah. From what I was told, the officer told me to pay the ticket and I wouldn't have to come to court, but they wouldn't let me pay it online, so that's why I'm here.
you know we were talking about that happens sometimes.
Yeah.
Some charges are mandatory court appearances. That's one of them.
Okay.
If anyone wants to come to court, you can give you a ticket.
I know that's right.
Not on probation or parole now.
No, sir.
All right, on the interference with an officer fine is $335 gift free. 335.75. What's the problem with the headlight?
It just was out.
One or both of them.
Just the passenger.
If you fix it before,
Yeah. Finally, yeah.
all right. Quick accept the gift fee on the headlight, I suspend the fine. Amount of $9.20. When can you pay the 335?
As soon as possible. As soon as y'all let me pay it online.
Tomorrow, Friday. You pay it Friday, you pay it next Friday, Friday next.
I'm gonna pay it Friday, tomorrow.
I can have to look at your order. You can pay it online or come to the courthouse.
Christopher Walker.
Mr. Blocker, you are 29 and you have 11 years of education.
Yes, sir.
Do you have a GED?
No, sir.
Where do you work?
Arrow tip.
How long you been working there?
2 years on and off.
How you do that? On and off for.
But you know how they come in, they be here for like 6, 7 months, and they'll leave and come back and have another project.
You're charged with improper lane change. You could send us up to 12 months in jail and $1,000 fine. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Are you mentally disabled or under them? All those things.
No, sir.
The right to a spouse and innocence, like front and the right to remain silent and not information.
Yes, sir.
Do you have an opportunity to talk with the lawyer, Mr. Lett, tonight?
Yes, sir. Okay, say that again.
I was talking to Mr. White.
All right. Block.
Okay. Did you talk with the officer at the after the collision?
Yes, sir.
You didn't believe what you said?
It was 2 officers on the scene. I talked to one officer. They had us talking to separate officers.
All right, court was scheduled for a trial on March 25th, 2024. If you need any assistance in getting witnesses, you need to contact the court so we can help you do the subpoenas, all right?
All right.
If you don't need any witnesses, we'll see you on the 25th. You can wait for an order on that.
All right.
Are you interested in your GED or high school diploma or trade?
I was, but not at the moment. I have so much going
Y'all
on.
head off in the tech. They willing to take you by the hand and put some money in your pocket.
Yeah, I know. I be juggling. I got children. I got work.
That's more reason to get more work, more skills.
It'll be hard to juggle. I mean, if I can find something to fit the schedule, then yeah, I'll do it.
Yeah, they probably give you a computer. You can do it online at home after you get off from work.
Oh yeah, that's cool. If they can do it like that, yeah, I'll be interested.
See that? Talk to them. See what they can do for you. We can have see. We get the order prepared.
Uh-huh.
Everything's fine. No, it's fine. No, it's gonna be fine.
Wakia Davis is charged in TD 29549 and PG 25131 for an adult use of violence.
You are 26 years of age.
26.
You have 18 years of education.
Yes, sir.
Where do you work?
Nowhere disabled.
You get a disability check.
Yes, sir.
You understand to be sentenced up to 12 months in jail and $1,000 fine on a speeding violation.
Yes, sir.
Are you mentally disabled or under the influence of alcohol, drugs, and medication?
No, sir.
You have a right to a trial by jury, the presumption of innocence, right to confront and subpoena witnesses, and the right to remain silent and not incriminate yourself. You understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
I accept a no contest plea to seatbelt violation, the fine is $15.
Sir.
I accept a no contest plea to seatbelt violation, the fine is $15. And on the, speeding, I accept a guilty plea to a speed of 49 and 35. Fine is $113.05. When can you pay those fines? When can you pay your fine?
Oh, today?
You can have a seat, we'll give you an order.
Yes, sir.
You can pay it online and pay it downtown. Steve Johnson will go to sleep back then. You holding the frame of that door pretty good. Yeah. What? And I like to play the piano with all them buttons together and figure out what you do. On that keyboard. Let's switch things over. Yeah. Okay.
Jonathan Reynolds is charging TG 24946 with expired tag and pleads no contest.
Run, you're 21?
Yes, sir.
You went to the 10th grade?
Yes, sir.
Do you have a GED?
No, sir.
Where do you work, sir?
Currently at Cracker Barrel.
Been there a long time?
No, sir. Just a week or so.
Did you work anywhere before that?
The Humane Society.
How did you like that?
I loved it.
You got some of my animals over there, my dogs are missing and that.
Sir.
You understand you can be sentenced up to 12 months in jail and $1,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you mentally disabled or under the influence of alcohol, drugs, and medication?
No, Your Honor.
Did the chief send this? Water?
He did.
Don't lie for him.
He did.
Thank you, Chief Don. Chief. Hawkins wants some water. You give him a cup and give him half of it. He complaining. Really some kind of way. You understand that you have a right to try by jury, so don't the right to front and clean the witness, and the right to remain silent and not incriminate yourself.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you get your tag screen out?
Your Honor, when I got that ticket, I had actually just not too long to purchase that vehicle, so it wasn't currently in my name. But the same day, I actually registered that car into my name.
Who is Susan Rebecca Gray? You know who that is?
My aunt, Your Honor.
And did you get a new tag?
Yes, Your Honor. I have the paperwork right here and the original paper copy of the ticket.
Let me see it. How many cars have you had?
Uh,
How many cars have you had?
3 or 4, Your Honor, maybe 5. I'd actually went up to the tag office and realized I forgot my debit card, and I was on the way back home to grab it when I got pulled over by Miss Wood.
You interested in getting your high school diploma GED?
Yes, Your Honor.
I want you to talk with folks all in the text if they're here before you leave. And why did you quit school if you don't mind me asking?
Over some girl drama, to be completely honest.
Mr. Render, based upon your lack of a driving history and your explanation and your age, I'm going to dismiss the tag charge against you and not require that you pay the 205.10. I'm going to order that you meet with Albany Tech and see if they can help you get a trade or a high school diploma GED. And you have to report back to me within 30 days and let me know how it's going, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You can have a seat and then we'll get the order prepared. Is somebody here you can talk to tonight? And that's from Albany Tech. These 2 people actually talk to somebody about high school diploma. You let them go through you so you can make sure you get the name and everything. He's ordered to come back to court and let me know what happened when he talked to Albany Tech.
Okay.
Adriana Hawkins. Yeah, this is a compliance matter, TD 28399. Policy closely with the accident. Ms. Hawkins reports paid $150 admin fee. The police attempt to drive them to the insurance claim. She also had a previous matter, move over of violation, and she was ordered to pay $100 admin fee, $25 attorney fee, and prepare a 3-page paper double page for funds in purpose of a move over. Compliance, you know.
Ma'am, with respect to the following two closely, you paid the administrative fee, but you didn't complete the Central Driving School?
No, I had lost the paper that y'all gave me, so I didn't know.
You didn't know how to request another copy?
I really didn't think the call
didn't care.
and request another copy.
Tell me about the claim letter. Why didn't you get the claim letter?
I don't know what that is.
Did you receive a copy of a piece of paper that told you what you needed to do?
Yes, that's the paper that I lost.
What's the test for the movable thing? We're on a different order. All on the same one. Did you complete the paper?
No,
Why didn't you do that?
I don't remember being told to make a paper.
On the,
Yeah,
On that-
I remember that.
on that one, it was 121 order, on one of them or both of them?
They were both, I believe, 121, the move over was 2020.
Are they waiving in that, you don't hand it over, charge? That's good, you kind of, you could suppose. What about the, removal? Or on the doctor's fit, and got on a little conscious, but. That's too. So the stay here. Okay. I don't know. It's gonna be a, guilty plea on the following two close and seatbelt. No contest on the move over law. Okay, this move to try to do insurance claim at this point. 3 years later. So we have accident report and family damage was done to the vehicle. Were you ever contacted about the damage to the other vehicle?
No, sir. I don't know. They just contacted us with our insurance and my insurance went up.
He's gonna have, whatever conditions he had on that, move over. He's gonna have to complete this temp driving school. And not to pay a fine in the amount of $611.38. No. Let me see what it do that. How much education do you have?
13 years.
What kind of job do you have?
I work at Newburgh.
Hmm?
I work at Newburgh.
All right, she's gonna be placed on pretrial on the bench for 12 months. She served 10 days in jail, suspended upon complying with the terms and conditions of pretrial. It's 11:38. I guess that's nothing she needs to do on that other part of the point. Okay, that $200 you do? Paid $200. And she paid the 115 also? Oh, she paid whatever that was. All right, figure that out for me. All the charges would be based on pre-trial and then whatever she has to pay. She pays that. Whatever she has to pay, she'll have a difference. That's on the 12320 and the 200 would have been 320, 320. They We are trying to go back to the original amount, and then we can do a reduction for which page. Yeah. And it's 10 days in jail, 10 days in jail. See the jail time within, there's a, no, 10 days in jail, 8%. And then jail time must be completed with the now it's only low charge. I got sure enough. You understand this, you came to court twice and didn't do anything you're supposed to do or did.
I came to
One
court
step you're
once.
supposed to do. And your explanation is that you lost the order and don't have to get another one on one of them. On the other one, you just don't know why you didn't do what you're supposed to do.
I came to court once. I didn't get a court date for the move over law. When it happened, I got a court date. The courts was closed. I never got a court date after that for that one. I never got nothing about the rate
You can tell us
until the
that
other
lawyer
day.
behind you, wherever he is, or whatever you want to do. I asked you the question myself, and those are the answer you gave me. You tell me anything about COVID, missing court date. You asked me my question. You lost the order, so you know when you're supposed to be back. And you didn't know what was on. Can you tell me that?
I knew what the paper was for. I told you I knew
Tell me
what
that.
I told you I knew what the paper was for that they gave me when I was in there. But I had the dates moved up for November instead of October.
Well, why didn't you do what you're supposed to do on the paper then?
I lost the paper and I had the dates mixed up with November and it was October. But I didn't get nothing for that move over law. I didn't get a court date for that.
Okay.
There was a court date March 4th of 2020, but I think the courts may have been closed.
It
If it
was.
was, he was send a notice to appear. I'm looking at several of them right now. Here. It went to 1106 St. Andrews Drive. Who lives there?
My mama.
What is good to have in the driver's license?
1106 St. Andrews Drive.
If I was part of the notice to address. If you don't live there, you put a change the address in 30 days. In other words, that's not an explanation and excuse because my mama lived there, I don't.
I wasn't.
You a copy of the order you'll be meeting. Wait for the date. It's guilty on the falling too close and a guilty on the seatbelt. No contest on it. It really don't make a difference. You probably should screw it up. But tomorrow you in a hurry? You don't have to answer that. Talking to you, I want to see you congrats, that's sure. Obviously, I don't have a problem. I need 2 cents and a half bottle of my water. Where you didn't get it? Trying to feel a cheap that, but every other thing that recover. We let you wear a set of all the things. Get down from my commercial, guys. Ezekiel Williams. When this is fairly yields, no insurance, fire theft, no driver, city registration. No contest, which is a range. Ms. Williams, you're 31 and you completed high school.
Yes, sir.
Where do you work?
Till Head Start.
You understand you can be sentenced up to 12 months in jail and $1,000 penalty charge.
Yes, sir.
Are you mentally disabled or under the influence of alcohol, drugs, and medication?
No.
You have a right to a trial, presumption of innocence, the right to confront and subpoena witnesses, and the right to remain silent and not incriminate yourself. Do you understand all right?
Yes, sir.
Get back to the board. Is your registration, insurance, and tag valid there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you see what's going on with the insurance tag and registration. You still paying for the car?
Yes, sir. Not yet. No, not yet. Yes. No. No. No.
Ma'am, you still have a 2013 Kia, real?
Yes, sir.
It shows that it had valid insurance, but the registration is still suspended.
Well, I don't know why, because I had to get my tag. My registration had to be valid for me to get my tag. And I don't have to get my tag until my birthday of this year, which is in May.
They have a,
But maybe it's because of the school zone. I'm not sure.
two of them been paid. They don't show the fine notes.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Yes. I got it.
That's for February 9th to pay that. Taxation.
Sir.
Yeah, for February 9th to pay that last camera ticket.
Is it February 9th?
February 9th, yeah.
Oh, yeah, I can pay it. How much is it? Yeah, I can pay it on the second. That's when I get paid again. So yeah.
Okay. Oh. So that's total 178. Well, give me that back. I don't know, you might need to change it. Okay. They need to be able to plan that their feet. Yeah. Yeah, $30 for the insurance left to pay the tag off. On the page of the year, the court accepted no contest plea, fine of $123.20. On the no insurance, the court accepted no contest plea to a reduced charge of no insurance on person. I reduced the fine from $496.16 to $200. Expired tag, no contest, fine $205.10. Suspended registration is reduced to no tag so that it won't suspend a license. I reduced the fine from $611.38 to $350. Be placed on probation for 24 months. He to pay $130 to red fee before February the 9th, 2024. And she to pay $85 for insurance left to the tag office within 4 days. Case and terminate her of 8 months compliance. You know, Sammy Williams, what we're trying to do is get you where all your stuff be straight out. I gave you fines, and I'm ordering that you pay the $85 to get the insurance, cover the insurance lap fee, and pay the $130 the red fee so you can get your registration straight now.
Okay,
All right, it's gonna be all in right for you.
thank you.
Who brought that? Who did?
I'm not sure who brought your snacks. I just.
I know who brought the, fruit and mix. Yeah. In the storage room now, that's a good place for them. I'm gonna buy that when I leave, I'm gonna buy my leave this back. I'll be on camera. Good.
Mr. Woodall. Mr. Woodall charged 3 times this year. One time, family bringing his bar, operating burn permit, no insurance. In public, you mean 7150. Right? Living in the Rock Park Street. Pretty much the name of
Look, what are you, 20 and you completed high school?
Yes, sir.
What do you work?
Coach Clark.
You understand, you can be sentenced up to 12 months in jail and $1,000 fine?
Yes, sir.
Are you mentally disabled or under the influence of alcohol, drugs, and medication?
No, sir.
You have a right to a trial, presumption of innocence, right to confront, and subpoena witnesses, and the right to remain silent and non-incriminated. You understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
What did you say already?
Woodall.
The insurance valid? And what else? Who's driving? That's 9905. You still have that Ford Fusion?
No, sir.
What do you drive now?
No,
Nothing?
no, sir.
You're his mother still, but. You can come, oh. How you doing now?
I'm fine. How you doing, Mr. Reed?
Fine, what's your name?
Sheriff Woodall.
You know anything about the car you were driving?
Yes, sir. The car was actually a gift for him for his 18th birthday. At the time, I was unaware that he was operating the vehicle, that I was switching over insurance, and he apparently got stopped. The vehicle, he no longer has it, and since his license has been suspended because of the contempt of court, he hasn't been able to drive.
Where's the car?
The car, the transmission went out on the car, but I have not. He was supposed to be getting the car for his 20th birthday, which just passed in December. But when we went to try to get his license, they told us that they were suspended because of the contempt of court.
Does he live with you?
Yes, sir, he does.
He keeps secret from you when you get all these pictures, you don't tell you? What's it still in your name? Sharika Monique, what else?
The car?
Yeah.
I no longer have it, but
The thing is, the system shows it in that name. You have to go down to the tag office and tell them it disappeared, you no longer have it, whatever else. And they'll give you a form to complete it and they'll take it off to the state for Saturday.
I thought they already did that because they did it for my okay, I apologize. Okay. I know they did it for my black Malibu.
It shows that the registration counts on that one. Okay, that's done. The insurance cover. Okay. So. What did that happen? Much will be going on Cleveland. 21. Hey, Tavis, why you get kicked and never come to court?
I don't know.
You don't know.
No, sir.
You better have it next.
I tried to pay them online, but they said I had.
Yeah, you're under 21, you can't pay anything online, it's cool.
Yeah.
But all I'll do is mess you up worse than you messed up now. Failure to appear. I don't know if it's he just line up like the doctor. 2160 failure to appear, guilty $100. Animal running at large non-profit by the city. Failure to appear on 9901, guilty $100. Operating on learning permit, guilty 9320. No insurance, reduced to no insurance on person. Fine reduced from $496.16 to $250. 9904, tag violation. No contest, 20510. Failure to appear on 2591. Guilty, $100. Speeding. The court reduces it to 64 and a 50. The fine is 340.61. Violation license restriction, guilty, the fine is 69.88. 4 months probation. Complete responsibility awareness program. And a valid driver's license. Mr. Wood, I was gonna take some time to pay these fines.
No, sir.
Huh?
No, sir.
You got about $3,000 on
About that.
you? Okay. He's obtained a valid driver's license.
Mr. Williams,
Yes, ma'am.
those contempt of courts, he paid those online. That's how he got rescheduled for his court date.
Miss White showed it to me and then show a payment. You got your receipt?
You got your, he paid it online. He has it in his phone.
You may have paid that money to some girl now. You got to watch.
I'm trying down. No, sir. He had to pay on to get the court date rescheduled. Oh, you paid it on at DDS? Oh, that's something else. No, never mind, Mr. Williams. Never mind. I apologize.
All right. 24 months probation, he complete responsibility awareness program. For all these fears to appear that won't do what he's supposed to do. Obtain a valid driver's license. What did you pay the driver's license place for?
To reinstate my,
I'm saying he went and paid him and it's his because he ain't come here.
Mm-hmm.
my bad.
Well, he don't need relief. But since he rich, I don't mind him having a relief, so he can come back and
Now he rich, Mr. Williams. Not
and
me.
he waiting to get a new car.
Don't mix our income with.
Ma'am?
I said, don't mix our income with. He the one rich, not me.
Okay, I said, okay, don't say rich. Oh, now the child can be rich and the mama can't be rich. Put him rich the mama when he get rich, right?
I ain't
Coach and
did
Clark paying that good now.
I guess so.
that. Nah, he don't pay no bills, Mr. Williams. So all his money stay to his bill.
Where you live?
He did with me.
You got extra bedroom? We put a tab to move in with you and keep our money and you gonna feed us and keep the lights on and all that?
Same.
Yeah, we all move in. We be in there. I'll be here about 4 months. I have to fight somebody for my room.
Everybody
Same
keeps
room.
telling me that. He got it good because he don't have to pay bills.
He's spoiled. That's all right. He's so spoiled, he won't do nothing he's supposed to do. Won't come to court, won't pay a ticket. With polo shirt, nice hairdo. What you do for a living?
Me, I work at PNG. That's where I'm supposed to be at tonight.
When you know all the money you make, missing one night, you ain't doing it. A lot of work on that. You would take care of it, man. Oh, you can, that'd be fine. If you're rich, you're gonna be at home. We pay. Before the region. Yeah. Drug alcohol medication.
I'm under medication.
So the medication makes you not know what you're doing, where you are.
I'm very aware of what I'm doing.
You have a right to a trial, presumption of innocence, like the front, and the right to remain silent and not connected. If you understand those rights.
Yes.
Whether or not accept the no continue pay to charge of following pay to year. Fine of $123.20. You can pay that.
I'd say within the next couple of weeks, I would be able to pay it.
Have it paid within 30 days, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. Have, please get the order and you're free to go.
Thank you.
Why are you giving the man was giving a warning? Why are you giving the man was giving a warning?
Curtis Clay. You know, Mr. Clay was charged with a light violation and no insurance. Get your vote when you do no insurance. You plead guilty.
Say you are 47, you have 14 years of education.
Yes, sir.
What do you work for?
Molson Coors.
You understand you can be sentenced up to 12 months in jail and $1,000 fine on the charge.
Yes, sir.
You're mentally disabled, all hundred and that's all. So
No, sir.
if right to a trial, presumption of innocence, like
Yes. Yes, sir.
What's wrong with the light on the bill?
Well, I had turned them off because people were walking in front of them. I was parked and I was getting ready to leave, but I couldn't get out because a lot of traffic. So I turned them off for the folks in front of me because they were blinding them, the lights. I turned them off and got to turn them back on when I pulled off.
Where were you parked?
In front of Mercados.
When you pulled up, you didn't turn them on?
Yes, sir.
Now Shane wear that shirt.
Sir.
You're not Shane wear that shirt.
Oh, yes, sir.
He should be, that's my team.
No, I know it
Good
was.
thing he did up wrong. No, we can't wear it. Oh, I know you ain't. That's great. All the football players leaving out. All of them going for it. Reading that every day. They going for it. They leave it out, we're going to truck. When the headlights require, could accept the guilty plea to suspend the fine based upon his explanation, and no insurance be reduced to no insurance on person. I accept the guilty plea. I reduce the fine from $496.16 to $250. Mr. Clay, when can you pay the $250?
Today.
All right, you can have a seat. We'll give you the order. You can pay it online, or you can pay it at the office tomorrow. All right, bye. All right, thank you.
Samuel Ward and Jasmine Jones are both charged with one count for disorderly conduct. Mr. Ward, pleading guilty, Ms. Jones, guilty.
Ward, you're 22 and you have 13 years of education.
Yes, sir.
If Jones, you're 22 and you have 12 years of education.
Yes, sir.
If Jones, where do you work?
Purdue. Purdue.
Where do you work, Mr. Ward?
LRA construction.
If Jones, you understand, you sent up to 6 months in jail and $1,000 fine on the charge.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Ward,
Yes, sir.
if Jones, are you mentally disabled or under the influence of alcohol, drugs, and medication?
No, sir.
Mr. Ward,
No, sir.
you both have a right to a trial by jury, presumption of innocence, right to confront and subpoena witnesses, and the right to remain silent and not incriminate yourself. You understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
What did y'all get into with that?
My,
There was somebody else in the house too?
yeah,
Ms. Irvin or whoever it was? Who? Irvin. Heard somebody else in the house today heard that.
yes, my roommate.
Young lady.
My who?
Who is Arian Irvin?
My roommate.
Roommate. Who is Miss Jones to you?
Close friend.
You and Miss Jones ever been into it before?
No, sir.
Have you?
No, sir.
Y'all still seeing each other?
She stays in Macon stages.
No.
Now when it's cool to make, let's go back to making the see folks. That don't mean y'all ain't seeing each other because I moved all in and
Well, I do construction, so I travel to different counties and I got to stay in those.
y'all don't, y'all
No.
don't stay anything like that.
No.
Mr. Waterfield, Mr. Carter, for the son.
No, sir.
Jones, maybe?
No, sir.
Either one of y'all in jail?
No. No, sir.
I have.
Hmm?
I have.
You have, but not for this.
No.
All right, what we got in there? All right, Mr. Jones and, Mr. Water, accept no contest, please. Both of these, signs, 12688. Mr. Jones, when can you pay you?
Tomorrow.
One,
Tonight, possible.
but y'all can have, see, we'll do the order, and y'all won't figure this, right? Let's see.
Reagan Young.
Young was started in ASU 141702. This is going to be conduct, please, no conflict.
Mr. Young, you are 20 now?
Yes.
How much education do you have?
15 years.
Where you work?
I do not work. I'm a full-time student.
I knew you were looking at that. Where are you a full-time student?
Albany State.
Yeah, I understand you can be sentenced up to 6 months in jail and $1,000 fine on charge,
Yes.
or you mentally disabled or under that point. That's all.
No, sir.
What you know about that? Yeah. Yeah, I'm tired of keeping my car dead. I won't be able to get it. So I gotta work. That's what I keep at work. Who was London Idol?
My best friend and my freshman year roommate.
What now?
My freshman year roommate. I'm a sophomore currently. I lived with her my freshman year.
What you all taught?
Yes. Well, not London. The other girl that I got into the altercation with also had
Did
the,
you think?
yes.
What did Albany State do to you based upon conduct?
Well, I just got back the hearing yesterday. I think they're giving me disciplinary probation for the semester, as well as I had my housing moved. So I had to change rooms. I also have to write a 4-page paper by February 1st. And I think
What was
that's
the
it.
paper about?
Why college education is important.
Fighting in the dorm as part of college education?
Well, I would say that the fight and altercation that took place, she initiated it and it was due to harassment over something. And she also kind of started the initiation of fighting. I would more so say it was self-defense, but with all these, it was self-defense.
It's all about friend.
Well, it started off about me.
You pushed it.
Yes,
That ain't got nothing to do with what you just told me.
it does. It wasn't just about my friend. It wasn't just my friend, I promise.
But most of them don't have anything to do with the two people who were fighting. Somebody's trying to defend their friend or step up for their friend.
It was about me. It was about my friend. My friend was the one who did it.
It's all from State University.
London had made the original report. She had made the original report.
Keep quiet.
I'll say that.
Where you from?
Originally I'm from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I live in Atlanta right now. Whenever I'm not at Albany, I'm in Atlanta. But I'm originally from Pittsburgh.
Who pay your bills since you can't work part of the student?
My scholarships. That's what pays my bills. Yes.
Did you got into the fight before when you were in high school and stuff?
Nope. Clean record.
First time?
First time.
The quick steps, no contest plea to disorder conduct, kind of 12688. Miss, don't have a job because she's in college young, has to perform 20-hour community service. And once she completes community service and pay the fine, they charge to be administratively restricted from her record based upon the paper she had to write to offer the state. Any question, Ms. Young?
Nope. No questions.
Do you talk too much?
No, I don't. I just,
You ever told that before?
I don't talk too much. I just, with this situation, I was more so the one who was reporting what was happening. And I also have a report of harassment against her with Albany
What you majoring
State.
in,
Computer science.
Huh?
Computer science.
Oh, I thought you, yeah,
I was a political science major. I switched to computer science.
that would have been a right honorable major, just the right honorable major. Any questions?
Nope.
Good luck to you, Ms. Sophomore.
Thank you.
Mhm. F-U-B-U-R-E. Math. Are you back here in Julie online what?
I'm back here.
You do it for that. You can put that. You got some administrator you can do on camera?
No, I'm already doing it.
I want you to do it so everybody can see. Pick up paper or something. Walk on your hands.
I just need them. And now they're all the organization. So we can do it. I don't know that. I don't know that.
You go to church
I want to get that.
in Albany? Where you go to church?
It's for them and for that.
You not a member?
I am.
Were you a member of your home church?
Yeah, that's the whole thing. I'm looking for another. So that's.
Who did you join when you were? Where you from and where you were born? Any same thing? Yeah, probably do.
Cause I was to high school here, where I was born, I don't know, different.
I never asked where you were born. You told me, you know. From somewhere else, you just in Atlanta, so you too. Oh, maybe you got to deal with old folks when you are.
Don't have to do anything.
Anybody? So I ain't got to worry about that and take care of me because I'm old and
Okay, it's about it.
I need to order my medicine on the computer.
I don't have to do with that.
Now, please, right here. The person starting with that, Friday, they'll come for the sweet, they'll count.
So you are 23 and yeah, where have you lived?
Year 11, I got the 12th grade and got kicked out.
GED?
No, sir.
Where do you work?
I Walmart.
What are you doing with the Walmart?
About 8 months.
Where you work for them?
Tyson.
You understand you can be sentenced up to 12 months in jail and
Yeah.
$1,000 fine on each charge? Are you mentally disabled? 100 was like all this medication. You have a right to file something, right to front, that's with it. And a right to remain silent and non-incriminating. Do you understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
What did you hit?
The guy, I guess he was taking off a little slower.
What did you hit? A car, truck?
Nah, it was a motorcycle.
Motorcycle?
Yes, sir. I tapped him a little bit and he kind of fell over.
Don't think we do a tap on the motorcycle.
I was just pulling off and he pulled off in the light green and I
You
stopped.
can pull out in the light green. I mean, you can run in the folk, but they don't pull out in the light green.
Yeah.
You thought you could do that?
No, sir.
You weren't paying attention.
I wasn't paying attention.
Okay. Now, the insurance on your car is in your name?
No, it's in my mother's name.
You live with your mother?
Yes, sir.
Was the person on the motorcycle hurt?
No, sir.
What's the problem with the tag on the car?
I guess at the time it expired, but I didn't know I was driving a new car. I didn't it was expired.
You have a car?
Yes, sir.
You had a car then?
Yes, sir. I
Why you was driving her?
just jumped in the go to the
You didn't have no gas in yours.
probably something like that.
Your mama driving the car?
No, I will.
Who's driving now?
She really worked there a little bit after that, so she got a new car now.
You wrecked it first, then she wrecked it second.
Yeah, I got a little accident. She wrecked it.
Your mama drive like you. Y'all drive just alike.
Yeah, but kind of sort of.
Tell your mama the registration expired. She no longer driving the car. She need to get that taken care of.
The registration.
Yeah, they still claim we got insurance, huh?
It probably do send up the junk. I'm gonna tell about it though.
Yeah, so I'll be quiet about that. Okay. Okay. Will accept another continue, please. The improper start. I suspend the fine. When there's prior tag, no contest, fine is 4,510. You place on pretrial intervention for 6 months. You have to produce an insurance claim letter. Tell your mama this. Give your mama a copy of what I'm giving. I'm telling you. Here, fine amount of 20510. Complete the system driving school. You may do that online. Once you complete driving school, system driving school, pay the fine, and turn in the insurance claim letter. Your case can end earlier than 6 months. You have any questions?
No, sir.
What kind of car do you have?
I have a 2016 Honda.
You ever wrecked it?
No, sir.
All right. You can go that young lady stand at the door. She's mad because she didn't leave early. It's not 9 o'clock yet.
Not official,
Huh?
not official.
Okay.
Deshaun Walker.
Stop the breath of driving. Please give Mr. Walker, you're 26 and completed high school?
Yes, sir.
Where do you work?
Walmart.
You understand that you can be sentenced up to 12 months in jail and $1,000 fine?
Yes, sir.
Are you mentally disabled?
No,
Are you under the influence of alcohol or drug medication?
no.
You have a right to a trial, presumption of innocence, right to front and freedom with, and the right to remain silent and not incriminate yourself. You understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
Why were you speeding and weaving in and out of traffic?
I was running late for work.
Hmm?
Running late for work.
Late for work make you do all that? It makes you not want to drive a license?
No, sir.
What's on this driving? All right, the court accepts a no contest plea to reckless driving and reduce the fine to $200. You face on pretrial intervention for 6 months. Please complete intensive driving school. Once you complete intensive driving school, pay the time. You can kick it in early and the charge will be dismissed again. I'm being nice to you because you don't have anything on your record already. Don't try like that again. You can lose your life and charge of reckless driving.
Thank you, sir.
Christopher Gibson. Charged with unlawfully use of wireless device, shooting without proper, paying fines for a quick driving, or without valid license. He does have a valid license.
Mr. Gibson, you're 28 and you have 14 years of education.
Yes, sir.
What do you work for?
Concentrics. Concentrics.
What is that?
That's a work from home job.
You understand that you can be sentenced up to 12 months in jail and $1,000 fine?
Yes, sir.
Are you mentally disabled or under the influence of alcohol, drugs, and medication?
Sir.
Right to a trial, presumption of innocence, right to front and freedom, and the right to remain silent and not. You understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
Got it. Cut the child support up.
Most of it, good bit of it.
How'd you get the license being taken?
How I got my license reinstated. I paid what they told me to pay on and got it caught up, I guess. I mean, I always call it. I'm still in the rear, but I paid what I had to pay to get my license back.
How you gonna keep your life from being suspended again?
Pay out my child support. I had lost my job for a little minute, kind of fell behind.
How long you been at your new job?
About 3 months now.
How many kids you got?
So,
And job for both of them?
Yes, sir.
All right, the wives and vice charge be no cross line agreement. I reduce the suspended license charge to no lifelong person, so that they won't be resuspended. I reduce the fine from $350, from $750 to $43.50. Making you pay $350.
This Friday,
You been working how long?
3 months.
Have paid within 30 days. All right,
Yes, sir.
you have, he will give you an order, then you'll be released. Good luck, Steve. Goodbye. What time we need to meet at the courthouse? Who won't be up all night? Probably need to go tonight while Aaron and somewhere. No, I think we need to forget. You got somebody else in there? Well, if you all with y'all, you require to do that. Hmm. Okay. You heard from the folks? Okay. In person? You ain't got to worry right now. Okay, do that. Huh? Got to worry out the money. Standing for you. And see this evening, I got the word. Where you got no listen? Dog. I ain't put nobody on probation and dog, but they owe $3,000. What are they charged with? Dog, the Lord. He might have a lot of dogs. David the Ford picked up a table you need workers' comp tomorrow.
So what I did, you judge, but I apologize.
But you know I know everything. When you come and claim that you got back problem because of that table, I'm gonna have a private conversation with you and tell you something different.
Okay, don't worry.
That ain't where it came from.
David, please call.
You are 18, you got more than 12 years of education.
Yes, sir.
What do you work?
I'm a full-time student.
I'm not older. What did I ask you?
Where do I work?
What kind of answer did you give me?
I gave
What
you
school do you attend?
Albany State University.
Are you a student?
Yes,
What do you work?
nowhere.
You're not synonymous. They don't automatically go together. I'm a student, I'm not working.
Well, my occupation is just student. Occupation is student.
Can you actually define that as an occupation? Google it. Show me where it says student as occupation. Huh?
My phone is silenced.
So For my children that's in elementary school, they got occupation.
No,
Education, certain kind of.
I understand the correction. I
You don't
understand.
kinda answer it.
Yes, I don't have the organization. I have no job. I'm a student.
Where you from?
I'm from East Point, Georgia.
Where were you born?
I was born in East Point, Georgia, on Cleveland Avenue.
Was in the hood, wasn't it?
Yes, Your Honor.
You live, it's off highway right there. I appreciate that. You get some points back for being a full-time student. All right then, so somebody's telling me that the insurance and registration order are fixed. Your registration and insurance fixed?
Yes, and I no longer drive that car. My privileges were taken away.
You what?
The car is my mom's name, and I no longer drive that car since I got whatever down here. So it's back in East Point.
Were you supposed to be driving it down here?
Yes,
Did your mama fix stuff on it? You don't know.
she did.
See what you can find out for me, Mr. White. Okay. You ever had tickets before?
Yes, I have one from 2023 for the registration on the car, I believe.
On your mama car?
Yes,
What your mama do for a living?
she works at the Taco Bell.
She's always worked at Taco Bell?
No,
What she works? I'm asking that because it seems like maybe some financial stuff going on. She couldn't keep up.
it is.
What about that?
She works at a food place, like a warehouse. International Foods, I believe. That's what it is.
I remember that from law school, not him, but I remember that. Law school question, international. Yep, I remember that. Don't remember what it was about, but I remember the case. Pontiac G6.
Yes,
Miss Freeman is your mother?
that is my grandmother.
Registration defendant has insurance on. Grandma live in Atlanta?
Yes,
Okay. One insurance on first. Who is your grandmother's car, not your mother's car?
yes. This she rented to my mom and for me to go to college down here.
What's wrong with the car?
What's wrong with it? I had to get the emissions test, and then I had a leak. So it's in the shop right now. Nobody's driving it.
A leak what?
It's a leak in my power steering fluid.
You know, we don't have to have them emission checks down here. You just change the address to Albany State, and then you can bypass that. Then we put some duct tape on it. We're down south. We don't have to do what they're doing these mornings. We really do. We'll get that car running for you, girl. All right. Who gonna have to pay your fine for you? Your grandmama, your mama, or who?
Yeah, my mom helps out, and because I have scholarships, at Albany State, I get a refund because of overload. So I most
You got your mama and grandmama, all of them have to pay.
yes,
You got something else on the driver's license? You got a valid driver's license there?
yes,
That makes you happy?
yes. Yes.
Make me happy too. How much money you got tonight? For college, on scholarship?
Um,
No?
I have the one you
You think I'm gonna take it?
that's the open question.
That's what all this takes. How would the Mercer?
Uh,
7 years. Okay, all right. Open question. How much money did you bring to court with?
did I get to quote with you?
Yeah.
On my like bank account, like I don't have any. I have no bills or cents on me. I have
What do you got
accounts.
in your account you can get off on your debit card? Without having to call everybody in Atlanta.
Another open question. I don't have anybody. I'm going back to school to study tonight. I know.
Like the number. But you got the money, then you go in the car, but it's supposed to go on something else. But never- Once you got to put on something else and not.
It's my drive back to campus.
Wow.
Well, my friend that's driving me back to campus.
So bad. Yeah, I never, whatever you gotta, how much you paying him?
Bucks.
Nah, I ain't going out there. I ain't going out, even do it right now. So I'm gonna take that $10 from him, but gotta get it. All right, okay. You don't have a car, so you can do community service, right?
No. No insurance, reduce no insurance on person, $200. Suspended registration, reduce no tag, $300. The lunch permit is dismissed. No contest fee to both those. 6-month PTI. Time may be converted to community service. Probation call, Albany State University. Police Department, to see if they have anything on campus that this person can do for community service. So she wants to pay the money. Gotta get you paying money. Your new license you got, you gonna keep able